Are you struggling to create perfectly sized ID photos for passports, visas, or other official documents? Today, I'm going to show you a simple way to make 1x1 and 2x2 ID photos using Canva, quickly, accurately, and without any stress. First, log into Canva and start a new design. Look for the option to enter a custom size. This allows you to set precise dimensions, which is crucial for ID photos since most have strict requirements. Depending on your Canva version, this option might appear slightly differently, but it's usually on the right side when you start a new project. Once you're in the custom size menu, you'll see options for pixels, inches, millimeters, or centimeters. For ID photos, inches work best. If it's set to pixels, simply click the drop-down menu and switch to inches. For a 2x2 ID photo, enter 2 for both width and height. This gives you a perfect square canvas of 2 inches by 2 inches. Double check your measurements. Accuracy here is key. Click Create New Design and your canvas is ready for your photo. Creating a 1x1 ID photo is just as easy. After following the same steps, just change the dimensions to 1x1 inch, click Create, and you'll have a new canvas perfectly sized for smaller ID requirements. With Canva, you can now add your photo, make adjustments, and have a professional looking ID ready in minutes. Just remember to always verify the exact size requirements before printing or uploading. Small mistakes can cause big problems. And that's it. Now you can confidently create both 1x1 and 2x2 ID photos tailored to your needs, all in Canva. If you found this guide helpful, stay tuned for more quick tips that make your digital projects easier and faster.